Lazy Boy Furniture Galleries. Live life comfortably.
Home.
This is a test. This is only a test of the emergency alert system in Washington State issued by the Washington State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important
Welcome back.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the emergency alert system. The broadcasters of your area, in voluntary cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information, news, or instructions. This station serves the Maricopa area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Interrupt the programming. Bulletin Emergency Alert System activation requested. Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in San Juan has issued a flash flood warning for Culebra, Vieques, St. Thomas, San John, and St. Croix until 10 p.m. this evening. At 3:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated torrential rainfall associated with Hurricane Georges moving across the warning area. Additional rainfall amounts in excess of 3 to 4 inches will occur. And now we go back to our normal programming. Y ahora regresamos a nuestra programación normal.
Spiderlink.net